What's going on, guys? Welcome back on my channel. eTech here, back for another video. For today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to install and uncover jailbreak on your iOS device without using a PC. So for today's tutorial, this is just uncover jailbreak. If you guys don't know what uncover jailbreak, I think everybody already know what uncover jailbreak is. So let me just go ahead and delete it, and now let's start the video. So first of all, you have to go to appvalley.vip, app.appvalley.vip in your Safari browser, and scroll down until you see uncover jailbreak 13.5. scroll down until you see that. You just scroll down to here, you'll see somewhere where it's written tweaked app, and after you'll see the jailbroken app also. So just keep on scrolling. There is uncover 12 and uncover 13 for iOS 13. So all you have to do is choose the version of your device. If you are running iOS 13 or iOS 12, just choose one of them and click on install. So I'm going to go back and click on uncover, and I just click on install, and right now it's installing. So here uncover is installing, so I'll just be back when uncover is actually done installing on my device, and I'll show you guys that it's actually working on my device. And make sure that you guys hurry up and get uncover right now, because uncover app value is actually going to be getting revoked very soon, and it might be forever, because the developer of app value decided not to pay again for the certificate for the app of app value. So if you guys really see this video, you must have to go ahead and download uncover on your iOS device. As you guys can see, there are also a lot of apps on app value that you guys can download. So go ahead and choose whichever app that you guys actually want to download right now, because everything is going to be getting revoked very soon, because the developer of app value actually paid $5,500 for the certificate to be signed for this app. And recently some people actually blame him and say that app value is actually stealing people's credit card information, which made him upset, and he doesn't want to pay for the certificate again, because he actually helped the community a lot, and people are still thinking that of him, that he's actually a bad person when he's actually trying to make everything perfect for us. We might not also maybe see again uncover jailbreak without a PC for after, if app value gets revoked. We don't know how that is going to happen, but we might see maybe it's going to still sign the certificate for app value and uncover jailbreak. So if you guys ready to see this video, go ahead and download app value right now, because it's going to be getting revoked very soon. So go ahead and get the app value right now, app value, and install uncover on your jailbreak. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave the video app value download, and I'll be back when it's done downloading. So here we're back again. App value just finished, uncover finished installing, so I'm just going to open it. Here is uncover on your iOS device. So with this uncover, you can use it to jailbreak your device. Just make sure to choose the right one. If you're running iOS 12, choose the uncover with the version of iOS 12. If you're running iOS 14, choose the uncover with the iOS 14 version. So if you guys really enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video, and don't forget to share it. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys in the next one.